Hello and a warm welcome to Easy Step Knitting with myself Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to do the knit stitch. So with the knit stitch, that's the pattern you'll get. Beautiful. So it's actually called the garter stitch. Garter even. Yeah, the garter stitch. So let's begin. So I've already cast it on. So the working yarn is always in your in your left hand. So we're going to put our right needle through the back of the left. So making sure we've got the working yarn, not the end of the yarn. So, and then we're going to twist it round the needle and then off. So in through the back, around, and then off. And in, around, and off. In, around, and off. In, around, and off. So just keep doing that all the way to the end. There we go. There we go. So that, so it feels secure, and that's in the back. It's just practice, and soon you'll be watching TV, not even looking at your work. Oh, I'm getting there. There we go. I enjoy it, and that's the main thing. So there we go, and you can see that it's starting to take shape into that style. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy doing your knitting and learning along with me. Give a thumbs up for me and subscribe, and have a lovely day.